Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation on the Solana topic. Today we would like to continue with the most important details that are hiding behind the doors, and they are crypted in the informations of the charts. So this is a market prediction towards the probabilities out there that we would like to measure. In the meantime, make sure to stick with my YouTube channel, check out the other YouTube videos that I have, especially the ones related towards the trading, if you are a person interested in the topic. We also have our ChatGPT bot trading, which is performing for our close community and friends. It's done on commissions. If you'd like to join, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. And the one-on-one coaching, I'd like to talk about them a little later on. So the Solana's topic has been extremely popular for the past couple of weeks because of its returns, and usually this is what attracts people in the most realistic way. Not the fundamentals, not the performance of the blockchain, not the other details that might sound a little smarter than the finance, but most likely the reality of the market and the way the people visualize the projects or for the resources. This is the reality for the most cases. Obviously, we have exceptions. We have people that are measuring what's happening behind the doors of each project before touching it. But most of them are just looking at the numbers. They see a project increasing and they get into. So obviously, this is not the best investment approach. And this is something that I would totally avoid. However, Solana is still sitting quite nice for the past 7 days. Better than anything else, including XRP, including Cardano, including, of course, BTC or Ethereum. They have been totally outranked by the performance of Solana, which has successfully climbed quite well, again back in the top 10 cryptos. And for the past 24 hours, it's retracing. It has to do it because the increases that were gained and the people that have speculated are huge. Now, you also need to keep in mind that the fear and greed index is already at 73, so we are in the greedy sector, and this is a specific type of market structure. We need to adjust our activity towards that. What's happening on the charts is probably the most important things for us. And I'm looking at the daily candles, and I'd like to share with you some daily type of informations here. So the most important thing is that we successfully broke out at $30 right there. This was an amazing point that had been achieved, and the market have been pushing straight away into $47, which is the top, and that is the top of a structure that is back in the day, June, August, September 2022. We had our tops forming right there, a very strong level of supply. And this supply level triggered a sell-off towards $7.5 right there. So we went basically from those tops of supply towards $7.5, which is the lowest point Solana has been able to decrease during this bear market. Now, pushing back to the top is representing a very, very strong liquidity grabbing process. Solana is not really having resistance from the 47s up to this top right here, which is at 59. So as soon as it creates a structure of continuation, which is supposed to appear here, right? That's the zone where the structure of continuation can be built for the upcoming period. It can basically right away, as soon as it forms itself, to fly towards $60, which would not be a big deal considering the charts. From here towards the 60s, it is 47%. We're gonna get lower prices for Solana, and I'd like to talk about a couple of levels that Solana could be retest where we would expect bouncing. The first one is this, right? And this is already very close to us, which is not that exciting, but I would like to tell you when BTC decreases and has a markdown, we are going to see Solana decreasing at a much faster pace. When we say 7% for the BTC, Solana will do 20%. So you need to keep these details in your mind and act accordingly with that. Therefore, we do have this sort of a way trending line that used to be as a resistance back in the day, and now it is very accurate. It is very, very important. It will act as a support. So any form of retracement into the trending line is supposed to react as a strong support, which is now located somewhere around $31, and this is a great level to touch. Therefore, I am pretty much happy with the situation that any type of retracement have their levels of reaction, which can be triggered towards a great return for the future. So we also have a golden pocket level between the two yellow lines. This is a horizontal structure that is indicated by the Fibonacci retracement pattern, and that is somewhere around between 25 and 27.5 level. So that's it for the moment on the topic. This is all related to Solana. We're going to talk about it tomorrow as well. We'd like to share with you more information on the topic as soon as we advance. We will get into the shorter time frames. And by the way, for those of you that can easily hear that my voice is not in the right piece, it's a little cold out here, and that's the only thing. No other issues or struggles or difficulties. We're fine. However, I wanted to make this video to put an approach towards Solana and advance with the topic. Now, like I said at the beginning, for those of you that believe bot trading is something interesting and you would like to participate, we have our AI bot trading. We are having the ability basically to run through the process. You can check out our ChatGPT bot trading page, which is, like I said, designed only for my friends and close community members that would like to participate. We have option number 1, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. It's very simple. The details are explained here. You can also contact me, reach out, complete a form for more details, and we get to the topic. Now, for the ones that are believing that education is important and think that by improving it can generate different results, you need to work on the source of the results. You need to work on the cause of the results that generates the reaction. So that's the education, that's your skills around the business. And this is something that I'm actually covering in a one-on-one coaching program dedicated directly with me, where intensively we are learning how to trade. Register now for more information, find out more details, and jump on a call with me of 15 minutes where I can explain you and discuss about a topic. All the links towards our pages can be found in the description area and comments area. Enjoy, guys. Have a good time.